240km range on a single charge, comes with OTA upgrades and infotainment option, and all these are included in Ola electric scooter. But what is the pricing of Ola electric scooter and when can we expect this electric scooter launch in India? Let's check it out these details in this video. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. Firstly, Ola electric scooter is not designed and developed in India. This electric scooter technology is actually imported from Netherlands. In Netherlands, there is a company called Itergo, and this Itergo has actually designed and developed this electric scooter called App Scooter. And Itergo also planning to launch the electric scooter in Netherlands in 2019. But whatever the circumstances it may be, Ola Electric has owned the company of Itergo. Now coming to the features of this Ola electric scooter, it comes with a 7-inch touchscreen display where you can watch YouTube videos as well. If you see the competitor for Ola electric scooter Ather 450X, it is offering features like OTA upgrades and navigation. But this Ola electric scooter comes with several other options like 4G connectivity, music, phone answering, GPS navigation and watching videos as well. In addition to that, there is an option called automatic diagnosis where it can self-repair the scooter also, and remote unlock and lock option, and also find my scooter option. These are the main features of Ola electric scooter. And now coming to the technical specs of Ola electric scooter, the top speed of this scooter actually comes in 3 different variants. The basic variant comes with a top speed of 45 km per hour, and the second variant the top speed is up to 70 km per hour, and the third variant the top speed is up to 95 km per hour. Whereas the 45 km per hour electric scooter equips with a motor power of 2 kW, and this motor is not actually a BLDC motor, it is an AC brushless motor. And the 70 km per hour electric scooter works with a 4 kW motor, whereas the 95 km per hour variant works with a 7 kW motor. But the company haven't revealed whether it is the peak power or the rated power, and we are guessing that it is actually a peak power, not rated power. That is what we are believing. And now coming to the battery capacity of Ola electric scooter, actually 3 modules are given with this Ola electric scooter, and each module weighs very less weight. Actually it is only 8.5 kilograms. So if you using 3 modules, the weight is around 25 kilograms. So each module, the battery capacity is 1.15 kilowatt hour, which means if you are using 3 battery modules, the battery capacity is around 3.5 kilowatt hour. For each battery pack, Itergo is claiming that 80 km range. But this 80 km range is possible only with 20 km per hour speed, which means if you go more than that, like 40 km per hour, if you maintain high speed, you will not get the range actually. If you are using 3 battery packs, you can get 240 kilometers of range only when if you ride with 20 km per hour maximum speed. And now coming to the charging time of this electric scooter, with a normal home socket, the charging time is around 5.5 hours, whereas with a high amp charger, you can charge this electric scooter in much less time, like 2.5 hours. And now coming to the scooter design and braking system, and the scooter tires are actually tubeless tires, comes with 110 by 70 12-inch tires. These tires are actually similar to Ather 450X tires, whatever the 12-inch tires. And whereas the braking system is disc brakes, front and rear disc brakes. The front disc brake is 200 mm disc brake, and the rear disc brake is 180 mm disc brake. And one more feature, what I like personally in this electric scooter is the boot space. In this App Scooter, you will get an ample amount of boot space, like 50 liters of boot space, where you can keep almost 2 helmets or a large quantity of groceries as well. And one more thing, that Ola Electric is actually establishing a manufacturing unit in Tamil Nadu, Hosur, with an investment of around 2,400 crore rupees. And they are planning to launch 1 crore electric scooters every year, which means for every 2 seconds they will make 1 electric scooter. And the plant size is 500 acres, whereas the 2 acres inside is used for forest also. And the lithium ion batteries which are developed for Ola electric scooter are actually 100% built in India, and most of the manufacturing plant is actually automated, where to reach the target of 1 crore electric scooters. And Ola's plan is not just manufacture this electric scooter for Indian audience, but also to export Asia, Europe and other continents as well. So finally we can expect the price of Ola electric scooter around 1 lakh rupees to 1.2 lakh rupees, and we are expecting that the range is around 80 to 100 kilometers for the pricing what they are offering, because 240 kilometer range we are not sure about whether they can offer 3 modules for the price of 1 to 1.2 lakh rupees, but we are expecting they will give it a 1 battery module around 80 kilometer range. But if they offer more the range for that price, we will definitely encourage the step, and if we also need that, if they can give the 240 kilometer range in that pricing of 1 lakh to 1.2 lakh rupees. But there is no official confirmation from Ola Electric that they will launch an electric scooter of 240 kilometer range for the price of around 1 lakh rupees, and we can expect the launch of Ola electric scooter in the second half of 2021, in between August to December. But anyway, we need to be very proud for Ola electric manufacturing plant, because this is the world's biggest electric scooter manufacturing unit, and it is actually being constructed in India. So we all need to support such kind of initiative. So that's the complete story about Ola electric scooter. For more information about electric vehicles and genuine reviews, please subscribe to Electric Vehicles channel. And if you like this video, please share this video with your friends and comment your opinion in the comment section below. Go green, go electric.